Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Once your student reaches age 13, the Apple ID converts to a full account with full rights and privileges. Students can continue to access any classwork, notes, books, or apps associated with their Apple IDs.
Take our lead.
Make sure that your child has their own Apple ID, and Apple ID is the account that you use with Messages, the App Store, and other Apple services. Everyone should have their own Apple ID, so don't share your Apple ID with your child. If your child already has an Apple ID, they should keep using it.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It isn't like her account is automatically kicked out when she turns 18 or something. When you leave family sharing, your Apple ID is removed from the family group and you won't have access to any services shared by your family. Any content that your family shared with you isn't automatically removed from your device.
Let's help you make your mark.
To migrate to a separate account, she will have to go to Settings greater than iCloud, tap Delete Account, provide the password for the current account to turn off Find My iPhone when prompted. If she's running iOS 7, choose Keep on My iPhone, to keep a copy of the iCloud data on her phone. Then sign back in with a different Apple.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Helpful answers the problem as, the birth date you're providing isn't being accepted, and I'm happy to help. Contact Apple for help with Apple ID account security. This is a job for Apple ID account security. After choosing this link, select your region, then follow the prompts to contact them. Take care.
Let's help you make your mark.
You need to use your real date of birth, and your Apple ID is secure when you set it up, as you have a password, so nobody can forward and get into your Apple ID. If they know your password and can guess your questions, they don't need Apple or anyone else to change your password from the Apple ID management website.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.